What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And tonight, we have a repeat offender. We're talking about this man was actually the fifth guest on our podcast. We're now up to almost 70, so we definitely had to bring him in. He's a legend, and he's here tonight. You know who we have in the building? We have Lindo P from the 416 Sound Crew in the building. What's going on, big boss?
I'm here, Muscle, man.
Bless and love. Big up so very much, Lindo. You know what I mean?
See and give thanks.
Yeah, man, because I remember when I called you the first time, it's about 2 years ago that we recorded.
Yeah.
It was January 2018. We're going into 2020.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It was a start.
Yeah. And the fact that you actually came through then and it was easy and cool, I definitely had to bring you back because so many people requested you. You know what I mean?
Muscle.
Yeah.
From the time you did that.
Yeah.
Till now.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Mad. Yeah.
You like the vibe?
Evolved.
Then? Yeah.
See it, true.
You know what I mean? So then let's because we covered so many grounds before on the last podcast. We still have a lot to cover because, again, this is about, you've been in the business now professionally about 30 years, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
Simple as you see it, you know.
Yeah.
Crazy. When I was doing some research, I was remembering something. I seen a video clip with you on Much Music with Danny O, and the group was called Partners in Rhyme.
Yeah, true.
Yes. How did you guys even come up with that there?
You are one. It's like I'm in school.
Yeah.
I just growing up with two. We're growing up. No Daniel, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm an elder and rated, but I know him and rated him and doing music and rated him. And
okay.
Say, boom. Me a DJ and he's like, I'm doing the things like, Lindo, please, help me.
Yeah.
I'm like, all right, made a little demo for him. And he went and submitted it to Much Music.
Okay.
Seeing?
Yeah.
Boom. They said yes. So it was us and his partners in rhyming. Something on black.
Yeah.
Something like that. Something like that.
But this
anyway,
is from since like 91, so yeah.
Seeing? So do it we're on electric circuits and we'll win.
Yes, man.
That's good.
Yeah. So it was actually a group or you guys just did that just for the electric circuits?
It was just, he just made it up and rated it, you know what I'm saying? In order to do what he was doing, and it was just that, you know?
And what was it that you guys actually won that time there?
Next.
Honey, we started early. Okay, I see where this is going already. You know what I mean? But okay, you won that and that was big. And was that actually your first time on Much Music then?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our first time, and then after that was like GCP. You know what I mean?
Okay, you were back on with GCP.
No, we ain't back on with GCP.
Yeah.
See, we're there forward and you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Margin them were there and rated in a drive for Turbotron and rated and
yeah.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And we're down there again. That was like the mix.
Yes, with Master T. Yes.
And next time again with King Turbo with them specs and them.
Okay.
With almost a Bounty Killer.
Yeah.
I'm gonna remember who else, you know.
Beanie Man?
I don't think Beanie Man was there. It was Bounty Killer and somebody else.
Yeah. Okay, so you did a lot of TV appearances back then. Yeah. That was big, you know.
Yeah. I mean, that's the start. That's not even the start of everything. You know what I mean, but we were there.
So where would you say everything really started to kick off for you as Lindo P then?
Like I said, in them times, I am blessed at a song called Poison Ivy.
I remember. Yes, we spoke about this.
So like I said, we were sick.
Yeah.
Seeing? And then after that, I was playing Lone Star. And I played Red Flame. And just from being a youth and just chatting lyrics and rated and just doing music, my boss. Long.
Yeah. And that's
at least
crazy.
Here, Toronto. You know?
Yeah. No, but that's crazy because you said you and Blessed had the song Poison Ivy. And even now, I know Blessed put out a music video last year called Nonstop? Slow Down.
Slow Down, yes. Sir.
Yes. And you made a cameo in that one there.
Yeah. Bless our key, man.
Of course.
That's what I say.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
The fact to see that you guys are still linking after so long, that's amazing. You're still.
Yeah. You have to keep it real, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. A new brew.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And what's that vibe like with you and Blessed? Because I know you guys have been in this business for a long, long time.
Everything is ital.
Yeah.
See what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. That's my brother.
Yeah.
And I mean, I'm my friend. So
For sure.
Brother. Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
I mean, that's big there because even why I even brought up that video, because the last time we actually seen you, your own video was about 10 years ago, was the Let's Get Married.
Yeah.
When are we getting a new body of work from Lindo P?
I don't know.
Yeah.
The reason why I tell you is that Muscle,
Yeah.
music is garbage.
Yeah. You feel so?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Seeing, you was popping. We were growing up and listening to music. Music was something. Regardless if it was like lover songs or whatever. Yeah, joke songs and 1 or 2 little gun musics or whatever, but music had a meaning.
Yeah.
There's no meaning to anything anymore.
Yeah.
So sometimes it's like, why do I want to sit here and sing about weed or girls or rape? Nobody wants to speak about Jah or even equal rights and justice. Look what's even happening to black people right now. Like right now today, let's be real. You think people will be on your show right now and talk the truth and the real? Every day, I look on YouTube and everything, black people are dead. Them a cut off people here, them a stab them, a spit on them, them a call them nigger, them a hang them right now, today, and nobody no care.
Yeah.
And the music, we'll not sing. Imagine the people are killing your mom, beating your mom, punching them, knocking them on the ground, videoing it, putting it on YouTube, and you don't defend it. And you know what you guys are singing? Shit!
Yeah. I hear you.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Seeing, even if you might hear men speaking in the anger, you have to be real, you know, Muscle.
100%. That's what it's about.
Be real.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So even if you feel there's no real substance in the music right now, why wouldn't you come and bring back the substance right now and put in the music what you feel is missing, right?
Because what I would say is going to cause problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. Seeing, so just know that that's the real. Because like how I speak to you and I talk to you right now today, like I said, we're being killed.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah.
Poisonous. Every living thing in order to kill a black man and woman is happening right now.
Yeah.
So what do you think I would talk? Do you think I would talk and say something that is timid and soft? I wouldn't.
Yeah.
Seeing? But you and I know myself. Seeing? And I keep it to myself, because who don't want to deal with the revolution and the real strength don't have to deal with it, you know? Just do what you have to do. Because I know there's going to be consequences into what I do. You know what I mean? I'm just teach my youth, them I rate it and hold up on a different level.
Yeah.
You know? I just don't feel like to sing shit. That's all.
So then that's where you're at right now. So I guess you're still writing music and stuff, but you're not really ready to record and release some music into the world right now.
I record music.
Yeah.
But I don't feel to... If you hear it, you hear it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Very elusive, but I get it. You know what I mean? And I totally understand where you're coming from, because you're somebody, you like to sing about substance. So when you're not singing of the substance, you don't feel good, or you don't want to really be caught up with something that's not really your style.
Listen, I used to sing gun songs and become one right song.
Yeah.
So if a man sing this or sing that, me have song.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, I'm not running up and down and banging shot and rain. I don't want to kill black people.
Yeah.
I didn't want to kill nobody.
Yeah.
Know what I'm saying? But you don't know it go already. We don't want to say the bottom, but we're the last of the list.
Yeah.
Nobody doesn't like us. Even our own people don't like us. You know what I mean? So why would I even be singing songs like that?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And then you're singing songs, all these love songs, but you're not singing to the Most High. You're not trying to lift the people.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? To the heights.
Yeah.
What kind of songs are you singing then? You know what I mean? So I'm like, man, I just feel like
No, but you have a voice, and remember, your two biggest hits that you got were two generally love songs. Let's Get Married and Take You to a Place. You know what I mean? So it was a good vibe to them. So I don't know why you couldn't listen. There's still a lot that you could offer in the world outside of certain type of music. You see what I'm saying? So it's just you got to do it.
Like I said,
Yeah.
I don't end up, no problem.
Yeah. So you just leave it alone.
Just, you know what I mean? We're doing this show right now.
Yeah.
And we know Babylon's going to watch. But I'm just being real.
Yeah.
Whatever you kill me or what, whatever.
Yeah.
That's life.
I hear you.
Let's just be real.
Yeah.
Because the youth them have to look and seeing. We have to set the example, you know. Nobody ain't set no example.
No.
You know what they care about? I killed this sound, all right. I killed this sound.
Yeah.
Seeing, I'm here a big car. I'm here this, I'm here that.
That's cool care. For a minute.
Man,
but there's
are you
more.
Crazy?
There's
you have
more.
to teach. You have to teach the youth them something. The youth them will bang you, eh?
Yeah.
Seeing? Let's be real. When we're growing up, we respect the elders them.
100%.
You think the youth them respect the elders them right now?
Bro.
No, they don't.
Yeah.
See? You know why? See? Because you guys are acting like you're youths.
Yeah. Got you.
And when I see the youth them and I show the youth them just knowledge and rate, bro, see? They're like top left.
Yeah.
See? Because they're like strength and powers because he's looking out. I'm not saying boss are gonna rape. Me not tell her saying don't have it.
Yeah.
Have it.
Yeah.
Me I gotta tell you that. Everybody, when you watch it, me I say have it. Because you're black. And people want to kill you.
Yeah.
You have to defend your own. We think your life is nothing.
Yeah.
Your life is something. See?
100%.
So if them have it, you have it too.
Yeah.
And I'm not telling you to go and kill nobody. I'm saying protect your own.
Yeah.
This is what's going on right now, today, and that's what we need to deal with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's what I was going to ask you. Why do you think the streets are so crazy right now, especially in Toronto? We've never seen the city like this ever. Ever.
You are going. It's just, like I said, it's a strength and the energy that lies within.
Yeah.
We're the ones. You think you can't talk to the youth them like you're Martin Luther and say, I have a dream, they're not listening to you.
Yeah.
Seeing? We know the levels and the energies that the youth them are on. But we ain't speaking to them.
Yeah.
And it's not, you think they don't have feelings? They have feelings too.
Yeah.
Even who out there and murder have picnic. You think they want dead and left them youth? They don't. Everybody have a conscience and a feeling and energy, seeing? But sometimes you have to show the youth them like, yo, boom, live to see another day. Seeing? I'm not telling you if somebody goes and rape your sister or something. Me not tell us don't go for him. Me not tell us don't go for him. Go for him, blood clot. Yeah?
Yeah.
But I'm saying the little stupidness where I going. I'm you like this, I don't sell drugs. Yeah. Me no bust gun and rate it. So me no in that. Me no in that. Seeing? If I'm for bust upon Babylon in order to live. Seeing? But if you're a drug dealer and you get shot or you get robbed, don't cry.
Yeah.
That's the game, bro.
It's part of the game.
Seeing? Stay in your lane. If I that, you're there now, know that. Because when it comes to drugs, people thief drugs, people buy drugs, rate it and bam. So when things happen, don't cry.
Yeah.
See it? See me? I just music alone. So I mission me the pan.
Yeah.
Yeah, that way to me I cut dub plate and rate. Come here, I do it. So when man I say rate it and bam, I know you want clash. But so I want to play music and do something for the people them. Generate the youth them.
Yeah.
So the youth them can know the foundation and the strength of it. I don't just love peace, I love all of it. Seeing? Caracas, yeah.
It makes sense. It's like, whoa, you took it there already, you know what I mean? Who or what inspires you? Lindo P, today, who or what inspires you?
Inspiring me is my dad.
Yeah.
My father, because I'm music and I watch my dad.
Yeah.
My cousin Ratty.
Okay.
My auntie will pass away.
Yeah.
Seeing? And like Dennis Brown and Sizzla.
Yeah. They inspire you.
Inspired me.
Yeah.
Seeing? I love music so much. Is my aunt will pass. You know what I mean? Still living. You know what I mean? Just not physical. When all of my family them used to diss me.
Yeah.
And I say, you know, do nothing in our life. That's music you want to do. You want dance. You want DJ Ray. Shalom, I say, yo, boom.
Yeah.
The man sick.
Yeah.
The man sick. Seeing? And then today, go around the world and all them sitting there, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
My father, love, you know what I mean? But I followed him and watched him in our music, you know, my cousin showed me how to mix and those people there, and then, like I said, Dennis Brown.
What is it about Dennis Brown and Sizzla that you like so much?
Dennis Brown is the greatest singer on earth. See, and that's why he's the prince of reggae music. Bob Marley said, yo, see, you know why? You think a real yardie will tell you in those times, Dennis Brown is not Bob Marley.
Yeah.
Bob Marley's on just on a different level as spiritual energy and Ray. Understand?
Yeah.
Singer no one music, Dennis Brown.
Dennis Brown.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And in Sizzla now, just because I'm a youth and I love righteousness, seeing him, I'm not like badness more than goodness.
Yeah.
So when I heard Sizzla now, I'm like, whoa, this song's bad, whoa, this song's bad, whoa. Now I'm hearing like 10 billion songs and they're all good.
Crazy.
See? So at the end of the day, this is like Vibes Cartel. Every artist that's out there, nobody never did what Sizzla did.
Yeah.
You're doing it now, seeing, but Sizzla set that example. There's nobody.
Yeah.
Did you ever?
No, Kalanji, boss. Kalanji. He came and changed the game. What was the first song that Sizzla did that you really paid attention to and said, whoa, there's something going on here?
All right, this is the time I'm playing Heat Wave.
Yeah.
Spragga got No Other Like Us Be Wise.
Yes.
And something else.
Okay.
So this time now, remember Doggy?
Of course.
All right, saying
Of
Doggy.
course, boss.
Doggy was in Jamaica at these times. Doggy calls me and he's like, sorry. He's like, yo, Sizzla. And I'm like, who? He's like, yo, this brother named Sizzla is bad and rated. As the man told me that, like 2 days later, Spragga gives me these dubs. He's like, it says you with a Sizzla and rated and we got some ninja man and whatever on them. I said, I play the dub and I hear to me, I say, what is this? What is this?
Yes.
And I played about 10 billion times. After that, Muscle, about a week later, I went to the record store.
Yeah.
And I got, the man played Praise Jah for me.
Yeah.
And played Them I Wonder. What was that club in the West called? Cool C?
Yes. The upstairs there.
I, Black Reaction, and somebody else.
Yeah.
You know, say, we played the 2 songs about 50 times.
Yeah.
In a dance.
Yeah. Crazy vibes.
Just the knowledge.
Yeah. And that was a Sizzla. That was where you began your journey into saying, okay, you know what? Sizzla Kalonji, tough.
The greatest. Greatest. You know how I feel like when it's Sizzla, like a fight. See it? Yeah.
Even though he's changed so much where he didn't have such a rough voice, he got the rough voice. He wasn't really singing about pum pum and gun and those stuff there. And then he changed now. Which Sizzla do you prefer, the old school Sizzla or the more new school Sizzla, or you just put Sizzla in one basket?
Sizzla, one, a man is just a man.
Yeah.
Seeing? Same idea like, what you feel like.
Yeah.
Because you have some people when they look and they say Rasta and feel like they can't punk Rasta. And that's how it go.
Yeah.
We still have to live, my brother. See what I'm saying? If Sizzla not talk about, like I said, you can't talk to the youth them like Martin Luther King right now, they're not listening to you.
Yeah.
So when they say pump up or pump up, they might listen.
Yeah.
Seeing? Because if not, the youth them will do some other things because Babylon wants them to do other things and to change and to say what is wrong is right. You know what I mean? So it's just a different era and energy, you know?
Same message, but he's just bringing it across slightly different so other people would listen and get into the fold.
Because the youths them will not listen.
Yeah.
Overstand?
Yeah.
There are those few, I'm not going to say few, it's a majority of them same way.
Yeah.
Seeing? That overstand the intellect, you know what I mean? But then there's other few that don't overstand certain things and you have to deal with them in a different level.
Yeah, to bring them in.
Yeah, for them to say, because they not listen to that, you know.
Yeah.
But they will listen to this.
Yeah. Got you. You're 100% right on that. I got you. You know, there's multiple ways to skin a cat.
Yeah.
You just don't have to always go
We
wrong.
don't want to skin the cat still.
Yeah. By force or finesse, at the end of the day, we're going to get it done. That's the bottom line.
Yeah.
All right, you touched on something. You talked about your first sound being Poison Ivy, then you went to Lone Star, then you went to Red Flame, Heat Wave, Jack Creation, now you're on 416. All right, you built your own sound with the whole crew, 416. What were some of the biggest lessons you learned while traveling through your journey in the sound business from Lone Star right up to 416?
To have your own.
Yeah.
That's what I learned.
Yeah.
Seeing every man has their own. So you can go and have a journey and play somebody's sound in their dub place.
Yeah.
See, but the greatest thing is to have your own. They have theirs.
Yeah.
Seeing, you try and you learn, you know what I mean? And then becoming one of man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was one of your biggest lessons you learned over the time there. Give us some of your brightest moments playing those songs there. Top 2 or 3 moments you could remember in your career playing those songs.
Lone Star would be like, we're playing at Hollywood. There was one time, I don't even care if anybody wants to say anything, it was Red Flame, King Turbo, and Lone Star we are playing. And we broke them up.
Yeah.
Broke them.
And you were playing Lone Star this time. Yeah.
Why you think? How you think I played Red Flame? Going spiders like this? Yo, you're sick. Cause we broke. That's a one night. It doesn't matter what you want to say. We broke them up that one night. You know what I mean? On Hollywood there, and that was our strength. You know what I mean? Next strength was when I tell me that I play Heat Wave. Yeah. Seeing? Rest in peace, Concord.
Yes.
Seeing? One night there's a place called, I don't want to lie, you know, Coronation.
Yes.
That night, the bridging, we're playing. This is real. I don't know if I said it on the last thing, but I'm going to talk it again, you know.
Yeah.
This night, King Turbo, Barry Culture, Heavyweight, Red Flame.
Okay.
It's Coronation now. And you know how it's still like there's two sides of the warehouse and but we're in the one side. So Heavyweight and Red Flame on one side, King Turbo and Barry Culture on one side.
Okay.
Sound string up and rate it, boom. Power current, you know, boom.
Yeah.
Our sound now play. So Moose and Ricky them on the next side now. So I say, yo, boom, our side's not playing. You know, we can play. The man like, no, you play, you pick your side. You pick your side already. See? No?
Yeah.
All right, boom. Me and Randy coach around this. I jam, because I said, fuck. Can't play no, you know, because the sound not play. No power. All right.
Yeah.
Man, I'm play on. All of a sudden, you know, muscle, jazz good.
Yeah.
The man, I'm playing this song, go so, boom. This sound cheap out. This sound cheap out. Muscle.
Yeah.
This sound cheap out, and guess what?
What?
We get the power.
Yeah.
Sound turn on me and Randy Culture beat tune and I place and turn up because prime time now, you know. I say, So them tell me and Spider made a remix, you know.
Okay.
On the slang thing.
Yeah.
Seeing? Vigilante and the core team. Toko, dum, chum. So I played it, bro. No, God, no need to spend now. The place is going crazy. You know what I'm going?
Yeah.
So when I played it,
Yeah.
Ricky moves like this. Don't play it. Don't stop.
Yeah.
See? But remember, I have the Deporty on the same rhythm.
Yeah.
I said, okay. I wheel it up and I play the Deporty. Gets a forward. But the two intro them sound the same. You won't know.
Yes.
So when they get the forward now, we just pull it up and play about the Vigilante.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, bim, pop, 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 bim, pop, 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 pop. You remember that night?
Of course.
Eh?
Listen to me.
Listen, besides Kingsborough Hall in Scarborough, where else the most gunshot bus? Yo, fuck. Where?
Yeah. Coronation. And the other place was over by...
It was Kingsborough Hall, bro.
And Brimley...
Was it the story and Poison story?
No,
Poison
man,
Dog.
that was Brimley and Thing there you're talking about. Brimley and Ellesmere.
Wasn't that Kingsborough Hall?
Nah, bro, that was Brimley and Ellesmere where it was Poisoner, but it was Super Dopes and Bobby Chin playing Poisoner that night.
Yes.
Now, man, that was Brimley and Thing here. Brimley and Ellesmere.
I thought
Or Bellamy and Ellesmere. Yeah. No, that wasn't Kingsborough. Kingsborough is by Morningside and Kingston Road.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Legendary times.
Yeah.
All
Those, as long as I've been in Scarborough,
Yeah.
like dance,
Yeah.
you see what it is? It was one too frightening night.
Yeah. That one there. Give us one more legendary time from what you remember from, as I said, the Heat Wave, Red Flame, Lone Star, Jack Creation time.
Jack Creation, I just like. I remember this sound
Yeah.
playing, and it's Ricky Chupa. It was Snow White and Chupas.
Yes.
See? Yeah, that night, I born a good fireman, man, tear down tree, man, light a fire, and you see
Yes,
the
I remember seeing that. Yes.
But I learned a lot of stuff. You know, Ricky Chupa is one of the greatest to me. My favorite
Yeah.
selector in a war,
Yeah.
Ricky Chupa.
Okay.
My favorite.
Yeah.
I'm busy, nobody wants to tell me.
Yeah.
See? Sick!
Yeah. From
See?
time.
No.
Yeah.
Sickest, you know what I mean? Squingy up there to be, you know what I mean? I'm not matter and I rate it, those guys are sick.
Yeah.
But Ricky Chupa,
Yeah.
I don't give a damn.
Yeah.
And I'm there and I'm like, you see how Ricky Chupa does this stuff? We're in the dance, bro, in the line, and Ricky Chupa is like, in setting sound,
Yeah.
by the zinc fence.
Okay.
See it? So,
Yeah.
Chupa sound upon the zinc fence,
Yeah.
Snow White, and then Jack Creation. See?
Yeah.
You already don't know, say Chupa, you know. I went the blood clot. When Chupa turn on, you know, and the fire beat, you know.
Yeah.
Tell me how you feel, muscle. Then on the next side and watch, you know. And he has the zinc fence, you know.
Yeah.
It had tear the fuck down. Them time you not even want to play. You not even, you might get forward, lighter, and the whole fence.
Yeah.
I'm saying, yo, this man is sick.
Yeah.
He knows exactly what he's doing.
Yeah.
He's
When he
great.
purposely put his song there, say, okay, this is how they're going to deal with it.
I'll show you this.
Yeah.
One day I was in a WhatsApp group, and someone I curse and I carry on, and I'm say, oh, the man I carry on, so I rate it, and Polly in a group, you know. And Polly I say, yo, Lindo, relax your blood clot.
Yeah.
The man say, guess what? And see people one day in a clash and Warren rate it, I can't carry on like a baby, you know.
Yeah.
See? What is to be must be. So if a man say something to and rate it, I just saw it go. If not, down there in a war life.
Yeah.
Because he cannot handle it. That's why I say Ricky Chupa is the greatest. He says the worst things.
Yeah. Ever.
Nobody not say the worst things more than him.
Crazy.
I don't like it still sometimes.
Yeah.
Because sometimes, Chupa,
Yeah.
God, yeah, I agree with this. Scary.
Crazy. Those are some crazy memories there on the song. You know what I mean? Crazy. I want to talk about some of your artist business now. When you were on tour with Cardi and the Black Jays, you guys went worldwide, all right? What were some of your biggest memories and what's some of the biggest lessons that you've learned from going on tour?
None. Just be yourself.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's the greatest thing, you know. Don't exalt yourself and be like, I told you already, Muscle. I'm humble as a dove, eh?
Yeah.
And people think I'm Sizzla and
all
these. See? All these things. Look, don't know nothing about me, but right away, they must say, yo, boom, you're an artist or you're rated and boom. See, in life, just be yourself. Because nobody's not bigger than nobody and rate because you sing or industry or what the hell is that? That's something that people make.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? There's people there on the subway right now, bridge, and I play guitar and I sing and better than enough people over here are singing and I make a record right now.
You get it.
You know what I mean? So there's no lesson learned, you know. At the end of the day, it's like, just know yourself.
And that's what it comes down to.
Yeah.
You going through Europe, Canada, the States, everywhere, you must have learned something, saw something, or understood something that made you say, oh, okay, I see what's going on here. Besides the Sizzla stories, because the last time you here and you gave me those stories, that's the only time I almost fainted on a podcast. That's the only time there.
See,
they were so funny.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I couldn't really tell you no more so because, like I said, I am that I am.
Yeah.
So nothing does really fully excite me.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, as being a youth and you do things, you get so used to things that even if you see a billion people, it's like nothing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I just have energy and give thanks that you're there in order to do what you're doing. You know what I mean?
Makes sense. So exactly what does excite you then? Because you say a lot doesn't excite you. What does excite you? Say, yes, you know what? This is exciting.
Just righteousness.
Yeah.
That alone excites me. There's nothing else. I'm telling you. Don't you see when I'm in a dance and you play a burning spirit, any form of music. It could have 10,000 people, jiggy people, you know. Play it. Me one alone with dancing. You know. You're mad.
Yeah.
See, for some apparent reason, is that if I hear righteousness all the time, I'm not saying I don't do bad things and rate it. I try not to.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But if I hear the music in my ears, it's like sometimes like, Janu. And I like that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That energy.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. No. Lindo, listen, a lot of people don't know. They see you, but they don't understand what's really in your mind. You know what I mean? Because you're a different person still, you know, bossy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like I said, I ain't say I'm the best person in the world. I judge nobody and just live your life. You know what I mean? But I'd rather the best.
Yeah.
That's all. You know what I mean? Even when I fall, I'm like, I fucked up.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But I'd rather the best. You know what I mean? I'd rather hear the best. That's all. Nothing wrong with that.
It makes sense. Makes sense.
Doesn't make you a punk. 'Cause you like goodness and you like, I don't like war and killing and stuff.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong.
That's just not your thing. You know what I mean? I get you. What's on your thing there? What's on your playlist right now? What are you listening to right now?
Right now?
Yeah.
Right now, my favorite music right now is Lightning, Mortimer.
Who?
Mortimer.
What's that?
Mortimer, the artist, is I think is Protege's. That's what his name? Yeah, Protege. Protege's artist.
Okay.
Protege, you know what I mean? And he also like Lila Ike, man.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
Mortimer also has another tune called Careful. Sick.
Okay.
See it? Then I have to listen to their music. They can like, this is terrible, you know, like how music is out there and like no music now play.
Yeah.
Like, I feel to talk about the song and I don't want to talk about it. Not to say I don't want to even big up the artist, but I just don't want nobody cut it on dub.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, I can't believe nobody didn't cut this on dub yet.
Yeah.
A singing song, you know.
Yeah. And it's
That's out. I cannot believe it. I'm gonna make sure I cut it and play it first.
Yeah.
These guys are sick. Based on see if Squingy was alive and Mark was around,
Yeah.
there's a one song that would have been already boss. I'm not saying nothing.
I wish you would say. You know what I mean?
The reason why nobody doesn't love music, like it's only about hype, dancehall, and rate,
Yeah.
which is not the greatest.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm saying this, and I'm no disrespect to anybody, these songs don't last.
Yeah.
Sorry, you want $500, $700 for a dub plate. See, Shabba, 20 years, and you still can listen it, and you them, if they don't know it, they're gonna know it. Your songs them, and then when I hear them again.
Everything is moving too fast, and I think that's one of the problems there is music doesn't get to really, you know what, good music does exist, you know. It's just, as you said, it's not really getting played in the forefront. It's just gone. So it's just even you as a selector. What are you doing to really educate people to the music and those stuff there? You and 416 Sound.
There's not much you can do.
Yeah.
My brother.
Yeah.
You go to a club, you think we don't want to play Burning Spear?
Yeah.
And them sitting there, they're like, what is this brother playing right now? Huh? Do you remember the days of slavery? Like, I'm eating bubble gum right now, and I got like Louis Vuitton on, and like, where the boy up here? I hate that. Like, him not playing no more part.
Yeah.
So what I said, I have a plan.
Okay.
I'm cutting dubs and doing what I'm doing.
Okay.
Not clashing or nothing, but I'm going to do something. You have to present something to the people, them, to be different. And to say, I'm here and look what I'm doing. Different than what you guys are doing. That's what I'm going to do.
Yeah.
Because it's like, not now going all who say they're hot. Or them are the body selector, me play on this sound and Ray. Not now going. Sorry, me not disrespect nobody. Me say not now going. No business wise or nothing.
Yeah.
Seen anybody when know say entrepreneur like we kind of like whether that's a newbie. You know me newbie I rate it and I'm a build him a do rhythm and a re and boom. To be an icon of something for you to watch and look. Know what I mean? Either that, man just a cut dub plate and I was playing and a curse and a trace.
Yeah.
See? We have clothing and all of them sitting there. We are trying to do different things. We are trying to make shoes. All of them sitting there. Seeing 416, me never build my son I say a Lindo P or a Gigafoot or whatnot. Me I say 416 come and deal with Toronto, the original and the strength. So that's what I'm trying to do it for the people. Not they say me or big me up. I already did all this stuff already.
Yeah.
Me want to do something wicked so you guys say yo boom. When you say 416 you say yo. I mean that.
Yeah. I hear you. Okay, you talked about cutting dubs and all this stuff there. When or will we ever see 416 on the battlefield?
Warren?
Of course.
All right, let me ask you something, Muscle.
Talk to me.
Let's be real.
Yeah.
Mega me call you name Brimstone. See it? Sorry, you're my brother. See it? We're going to talk. We cursed the other day. Because the man said, a Mystic don't feel away, come here, call your name right now. So I said, Mystic win World Clash. Seeing? Listen. And mix it, they might charge such and such a money. Seeing? For go clash Sound and Ray. So I said, so what?
Yeah.
Oh, what did they do? So I'm like, well, they did win the clash against Stereo 5, and then they did win the Rumble, and they won World Clash. Well, they're the World Clash champion. When a man sings a fucking song and it's hot, see, you think you can't say 2 or 3 bills for each other. The man I said no, because my song is hot. I just won. You as a promoter now, you want to make your money. Me not this nobody, you know. But why the sound man them can't get their money? When you're in a clash, and you're clashing, just please tell me somebody. How much money do you play when you're clashing and you're playing around? Could you please tell me right now how much money you're playing when you clash? Muscle, and I'm asking you.
Thousands.
No.
Thousands of dollars.
Thousands of dollars.
Thousands.
And man, I take you for pussy because you must play a tune or you're not play good or you're not Ray and you don't forget the money.
Yeah.
You're supposed to get $3,000.
Yeah.
My gas, my time, everything for play a song, but you take my song like it's a fucking 45, my nigga.
Yeah.
Seeing, sorry for even say that word, the scene. Make a man eating food. Artists make them money. Promoter make them money, but the showman them can't make them money. I'm not saying to charge a 10 grand. But if a man wants a 5 grand, give him. You're not supposed to go to clash and a man give you $1,000 and you win another clash and a man gives you $1,000. Nigga, we play parties and get more than that.
Much as clash.
Come on, man. See, Mystic, big up yourself. Make your blood clot money. Who don't like what I said? So be it. So some man for make them money. Are you supposed to make your money again? I'm a youth growing up, we're listening to Black Roots and Ray Tete, High Tech. The man I'ma keep them dance. You know, have no promoter. You couldn't hire them man there.
Yeah.
You had to be their brethren them for a man to say, yo, boom, I want to make a money. Help me.
Yeah.
Because the sound man them were doing it. We have to work and do it. So make us eat food too. I'm not saying a promoter shouldn't eat a food. See it? But if nobody don't play no music, you don't have nothing.
Yeah.
So make a man go on with a food. That's all I'm saying, man. Black people, them, yo, live up, man.
Yeah.
Because Chinese people take care of them people, India and them, everybody else. We hold on, Bridget. I don't even know about crab in a barrel. Because I don't know who make the barrel.
Yeah. I hear you, but then that brings me back to what I first asked you. Will we ever see 416 on the battlefield?
I don't want to clash. If I clash, I know that I'm ready. You will see me, but not for now, my brother.
Yeah.
Seeing there's a long road to tread. Seeing, like I said, to everybody out there who cuts their plates and whatever, be smart. Don't cut their plates and be like, I want to clash. Because there's a billion, quadrillion sounds out there that want to clash, seeing, and sometimes don't even get the opportunity. And even get the opportunity sometimes and you're not even really ready.
Yeah.
So nobody has really built even a fan base. Your fan base is like clash. You know what I mean? Let's be real, man. We're in Toronto and there's clashes. They clash them big. There's there, but they're in a rum bar and them see the bridge. You know, they're like, they're in some big banquet hall and everybody are forward out. If you go see them man them play, let's be real.
Yeah.
That's not what's going on. Seeing it has to be like a world clash or somebody from the States or somebody from Yard are forward, seeing, and then the people then forward. But if it's just us, it's in this little...
Because you don't think that anybody's really actually took time and built a fan base. They're just working off of a Clash fan base, not actual their fans where they could take them wherever they're going type of thing.
Yeah, like any day you need to think about juggling, get people to like you, love you, adore you, do things for people to hear. Who puts out, even though you put things on internet, everybody dip on internet, not everybody. There's no CDs, like nobody puts out, we used to get CDs with Mighty Chrome, bass, Odyssey, everything. Nobody doesn't do we said hard copy of anything.
Yeah.
So there's nothing because your digital stuff can get erased in 2 seconds. There's nothing for somebody to put up and say, blood, can I see the CD? Huh?
Yeah.
And there's nothing. See, so there's no work that's being done.
Yeah.
Everybody just wants to be on WhatsApp or see my face, yeah? No real work now going.
Yeah. Okay, since you're getting real, let's talk about real. What I think happened with Mystic is this. They planned to win World Clash, but they didn't have a plan after winning. It's like when the door opens. You're an artist, you're a song, whoever. The door opens. Okay. They say, hey, I won. Okay, cool. What's the plan after? Nobody has a plan after the fact. Everybody wants to go viral, but nobody has a plan after the fact.
Why do you have to have a plan after? Because it's World Clash?
But hold on. So do you think, okay, I won. Okay, cool. So how am I going to market myself? How am I going to push this? How am I going to sell this to somebody else? This was my biggest night of my career, you know. So what's the plan after winning?
Why do I have to sell something when we win? That's don't sell already.
That's win. Okay. So then if that was the theory, they would have clearly done a lot more stuff. If that theory was correct, you know, okay, I won, that's cool. That theory worked 10, 12, 15 years ago where certain things weren't as accessible. And now, 2019 going into 2020 where everything is accessible, that plan of action doesn't work anymore. And clearly we see this. You know what I mean? So it's not like we're theorizing. This is the truth.
Well, what they did, I won't say wrong, is what they should have done.
Okay.
I just think that I even spoke with them. So the strength of the energy, like I said, you want a certain money, I rate it, and man don't feel to give it to you because they just don't feel like you're worth that.
Okay.
I would have said within the time that I have the hype.
Yeah.
Seeing, win or lose, me win.
Yeah.
Seeing, because win or lose, me I go keep my clash them. I self.
Yeah.
Seeing? So I can generate the money where I feel like I deserve. As I have the hype.
Yeah.
That means say if me win World Clash today, seeing? In a 3 weeks time, sit now go on.
But that's what I'm telling you. They didn't have the after plan. They just planned to get there, but they didn't plan, okay, what happens after we win? And that's what catches a lot of people now.
But sometimes too, you want to World Clash, you want to do stuff and rate it. Man, still you have to live.
Yeah.
Seeing? So, who knows who has extra money to say, all right, I'm going to go and put on this and do this and rate it and bam. You have the other things I deal with too.
Of course, you live in life. But I think that was really, really the problem is they planned to win, but didn't have a plan after we win. What do we do? But
like I said, I don't think they should have a plan. I think like when you win, that's how it go.
That's the plan.
Yeah, and then if you are a promoter and say, I want you to play.
Yeah.
And I give you a price, and I say, boy, it might be a little bit too up there.
Yeah.
Can we talk to this? Negotiable, the money feel good, deal with them. I see a Jordans and I like it, or I don't care. If it's $5 and I like it, I'll pay a fee.
You're gonna spend your money and get
Some
it.
people are like, oh, are they worth this money? Are they this or right? Me see promoters who keep parties with DJs that nobody doesn't know.
Yeah.
Seeing with the promoters, and guess what? They get people out there. Seeing promoters, that's not DJ's job.
Yeah.
That's your job to get people out there.
Yeah.
See?
I got you. And another thing you brought up now, when it comes to the soundscape, as in with DJs and sounds and stuff like that, where do you stand right now? What's your position in this game of sound business and DJ business today?
I ain't knowing, man. Let's hear.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not like I said, man, I don't overhype myself and whatever.
Yeah.
I'm here chilling and I'm flowing.
Yeah. You're happy to be here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I do, me, I didn't know. But like I said, like 2020, scary.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I said 4 and 6. Yeah.
So let's talk about it, because right now we're at the tail end of 2019 right now, going into 2020. We just about to finish the first 20 years of the 2000s. All right, going into 2020. What do you guys have planned for 2020 and above?
To build an enterprise. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So look at this. I take example of like We Point, you know what I mean? Like how Stone Up said. You know what I mean? Let's have a whole camp of people then.
Yeah.
So I try to deal with it. Seeing to get every generation, you know what I mean? Every nation like together as one as a one strength, but business wise. You know what I mean? Not to like what like I said everybody's doing like I'm clashing or I'm this and that.
Yeah.
Business or something. You know what I mean? That clothes that people can wear and say, yo, boom, rate it and boom. Something where you can follow. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like evolution is like when you listen, that's a Black Chinese.
Yeah.
We all listen music, we all listen Clash, we all rate it. When Black Chinese forward, it was a total different something like this.
Yeah.
What was that? That's not happening right now.
Yeah. Yeah, there's no wow factor to say, holy smokes. No
Scary.
No replay value.
Yeah.
Where you say, I'm going to play this 10 times over because this is wicked. Yeah.
Over some muscle.
100%.
Yeah. Sorry to everybody who wants to say what they want to say, but we born in a time like this.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
You can't be more creative right now more than we. You could learn a lot of stuff or whatever.
Yeah.
But we were there at the time of creation. You know what I mean? Imagine rock, soul, punk rock music, house music, hip hop. You know what I mean? You have your reggae from ska to rated to dancehall to all of this. We grew up scratching a record. Them time we all get beaten.
Yeah.
Scratch on me one record.
You know this. You know.
All right, man. So creativity.
Yeah.
It's such a great thing. And it doesn't stop. Even though they're stupid and they put purple and pink and red in their hair, you know what I mean? They're still trying to be creative.
Yeah. Talking about that right now, when you look in the spectrum, who do you say, okay, that song's bad, that DJ is bad, I like that vibe, they could, with a little grooming, they could actually get there? Who Who is in your sight right now? Toronto, worldwide.
Like the DJ that I see that's playing out right now?
Right now.
Channel. Shy. DJ Shy.
I know as there was a God in heaven.
No, but hold on.
You were going to say that.
The DJ Shy. Tony B.
Mm-hmm.
And what's the next brother we can't scratch? Kevin something.
DJ Kevin.
Seeing?
Yeah.
Are my favorite
Yeah.
DJs. See, there's no like reggae DJs and stuff like that, or nothing like that. The reason why I give them the most respect is the creativity of music. Me just tired, you know. If I feel like I want to be crazy, I have my own ideas and creativity and rate it. I just when I feel.
Yeah.
But I like to listen to them because everybody is boring to me. Sorry.
Yeah.
When I'm boring, you can't talk all when I want to talk and rate it. You're not doing. People. Why do people have to go to dance to listen to your fucking mouth, dog? I think I'm using my forward for go listen. Yo. So when the man are playing, I'm like, Jono, like crazy.
Yeah.
Creative and it's perfect.
Yeah.
See, it's all you know.
Yeah. Shy, Tony B, and DJ Kevin.
Yep.
Definitely, what if we were to disappear today and leave music in their hands, it's in a good position, those three right there for sure.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? What's the biggest regret in your career so far?
Biggest regret?
Yeah, in your career.
Maybe like when I got a chance to get signed to like Warner Brothers and enough little people I could have got signed to. See?
Yeah. What?
But no, me as a youth, no.
Yeah.
See it? Everything on fire. See it?
Yeah.
So I just burn things. See it?
Talk about this Warner Brothers situation.
Nah.
Yeah.
All that mess. Because guess what? It was still on a good level.
Yeah.
It wasn't nothing on a disrespect.
Okay.
You know what I mean? But me as a youth at that time, no, my mind frame was just like Babylon.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I'm listening to like music like hip hop and rated, and I'm like, I kind of don't really want to dip on them vibe. Like, I like some of the beats, them and stuff, and me like say what I want to say.
Okay.
So I don't want nobody to be like softening me because that's not happening.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I was just like, and I never really look at money as anything ever, you know, muscle. Life are the greatest thing to me, you know what I mean?
For sure.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I'm just like the hype and stuff. Anything that happened to me, just so. I never push nothing to be like, this song is this or this is this, and I just do.
We said just it was organic. It just naturally happened over time.
But maybe I should have did it. See what I said?
Well, you see, the fact that you could actually hindsight is 2020. You could look back and say, you know what? Probably, yeah, probably not. So you say that right there. Probably some of your, you'd rethink some of those if you had a chance.
Because of the industry and rated and doing what you're doing and making our money. You dummy. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
What was I thinking in my mind? But all the energy now, you know? When you live now, you get to this age now, you're like, didn't this job fuckery?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, Jah was just guiding from them time.
Yeah,
you know?
I got you.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If we're going to talk about your regret, that means we got to talk about your accomplishment. What has been your biggest accomplishment in this business so far, whether as a DJ or as an artist?
Again, everything is an accomplishment, right?
Yeah.
See, and so I wouldn't know where to start, you know?
Yeah.
The only thing I can say is just give thanks.
Yeah.
See, for the opportunities when I have just too many things that I've been through, you know what
Yeah.
I mean? So if I say one is bigger than one, wouldn't good, you know?
Yeah. But you're not thinking, you're not saying one is bigger, but you're just highlighting some of them. You say, you know what? This was one. Hey, you know what? This is another one here too.
Man, I just think to I use, like I said, just me singing Take It to a Place, and not even knowing that so much people that like it, like,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like I said, like, going to Spain with Cardi, them, Bimos, Akon, them, and T.I. and Blue, like, Little Kid Busta around me, I see all of them people, I say, yeah. It's like, oh, God. Like, you know what I mean? Still, I will, I made still out.
Yeah.
I just, so much things. You know what I mean? The amongst Buju, like, little tour, them, and Beanie Man, Movado, them. There's just too many things, too many people. I miss Dennis Brown as a youth, and just everything is just great, man. I don't know what to say. I just give thanks.
All the while. I got you.
Much.
Brought up Cardi. What's your relationship like with Cardi right now today?
Oh, good, man.
Good. Family.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Why did Tinger? Why did the Black Jays kind of just either fade to the background or break up, or there was nothing in particular?
I Cardi just a damn thing.
Yeah.
Man, them way they just like, man, I'm in life, you man, with youth, them, and rated and bomb, and it's just an energy like you doing something, and you just told the man to forward.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And be that thing, and or if you just give thanks for that strength there. You see what I'm saying?
For sure.
Eat our food, see it, get to go around the world like, me not have money for go to Spain and go to Malaga and all that.
Crazy.
I was with the Pussycat Dolls,
Crazy.
like.
It's crazy.
Are you crazy?
Those stories that you gave in the last podcast were freaking amazing.
Yeah, because
amazing.
those are real stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm
The one with you and the police in Spain, the one with you smoking the weed with the girls from Pussycat Dolls,
it's
where
not
they
a
were
lie.
thinking you were
Solitaire, tell them.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what I mean?
Crazy times. Crazy times. Let's bring it up to 416 now. How did you guys come together as a group and decide to build 416 Sound?
All right, one day. All right, boom. Them time I'm just Lindo P playing.
Okay.
I'm in apartment, I drink Silver Fox.
Yes.
We drive one day now, I'm going to Ottawa to go play. So we were beating music. I was like, man, we need to build a sound, bro. We're like, all right, let's think of a name. We're like, can't think of a name like
Yeah.
Rated, Lion Paw, Fire this Rated. I'm like, need something different. You know what I mean? We're driving, going to Ottawa now. So to go to Ottawa now, you have to go on the highway now. Turn off on, it's 416.
Okay.
If you're going, seeing?
Yeah.
So I turned to him, I was like, yo, 416. He looks
Yeah.
at him like this. I said, blood clot. I'm like, yo, that's sick, you know,
Yeah.
dog. The man
Yeah.
said, yeah. I'm like, so we call with sound, dog, seeing? Cause we need to build this sound out for the people, them.
Yeah.
And not for we, like how every man build them sound for them. You know what I mean? I'm a person like this. If a person like this, Muscle, I'm telling you the truth, man's like this. Lindo, that dub plate that you played,
Yeah.
is sick. I want it. I'll give them my dub plate. Me not give him a whole collection of dub plate.
Yeah.
But you like that dub plate so much and you want to play it in your car every day,
Yeah.
me give him a dub plate.
Okay.
I give him my dub.
Yeah.
Seeing? Because of 416 in the side people, you know, so something you love and rate it there and music.
Just like that.
Yeah. So we built it like that. We're like, let's do it for the people, them. And that's how that was created.
Yeah. Crazy. Just like that, just seeing the vision and saying, you know what? Let's build it right here. All right. And what type of sound is 416? Will you say you're more a hardcore dancehall sound, more club? What kind of, if I was to hire 416 right now, what kind of sound am I going to hire?
Everything.
Yeah.
See, because there's more than one select. There's Papa Chunks, there's Shaman, there's J Blacks. It's like, we have Skilly, we have beer people for our sound.
Yeah.
So anything we want, you can get. I personally,
Yeah.
and I rock as you.
Yeah. We know. Linda, we know this. Trust me.
Well, like I said, at the end of the day, I have to generate for the youth them.
Yeah.
Seeing, so for the youth them to learn, I gotta give them what they like.
Yeah.
So if I can give them what they like and they draw to me, then I can give them the righteousness and the rockers and the things that they need to learn about.
Yeah.
What the rest of the selectors are not giving the people them. That's why our culture's fading. That's why some Rastaman is there saying Afrobeats I take over dancehall and rate it and rah rah rah. You understand?
Yeah.
The reason why all that is going on is because of the culture. Seeing the strength of everything about it. Don't forget the old. The old is, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
To all you new artists and whatever, the old is better than every new song you sing right now. The reason why? Before you're fucking born till now, them a play.
Yeah.
Even if you're in a dance, bro, they're still playing. Songs that people sing don't play anymore. Saucy, I come on me yard. I'm not saying the song won't play.
Yeah.
But nobody doesn't really care. Nobody doesn't care, bro. See, and we're not this zebra.
Yeah.
See, and the music they're bad. See, but like, it's nobody cares anymore, rude boy.
Yeah.
See, Burning Spear, no matter what you want to sing, Burning Spear, they are Phoenix anywhere around there, so that Ram sell out the whole road block off.
100%.
So,
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Yeah. Isamo, listen, your way of thinking and the way how you're so revolutionary, you're just different. You know what I mean? Big up some of the veteran DJs and sounds that's still playing that you actually like and rate. Some of the vets now. Not the new guys, the vets. Yeah. Hey.
I don't see no who plays no more, man. Rosa. See him, bigger Rosa. Spagger.
Yeah.
Know what I mean? No people then did it, but you want to call everybody name because not everybody's my hygiene from them tiny, you know what I mean? But
Yeah.
Desi Rufus. Know what I mean? We don't have too much, let me say, man. I'm really seeing, so we know people and we talk and read, but who me call them, those people are real people, them to me.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Just like, how about any hip hop DJs? Because I know you're big on hip hop as well as dancehall.
Scratch Bastard.
Yeah. Wicked.
Obviously started from scratch.
Uh huh.
You know what I mean? Was a wicked hip hop DJ. Sure. Charming, my DJ.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Bad.
I don't know. Like I said, man, I'm into DJs who scratch and go berserk. So, not this nobody. Like I said, I already beat up my DJs them what I like.
And that's basically what it comes down to.
Yeah, shy and the whole of them,
Yeah.
them I new fire. Woo! Yeah.
Why don't we really see you in hardcore dancehall parties?
Because you want what? I don't want dead.
Yeah.
I'm not saying I'm going to cause trouble and rate it. I'm problem. I'm not with nobody. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's just a mannerism. Most of them, we are talking about why you not see me like that.
Why don't we?
I don't see. Why are you there?
Buddy, I'm doing the interview now. You see, next time when I'm in that seat there, you'll ask me the
All
question.
right, then. All right. I'm just saying this. I like to go to dance, and like I said, every music can play.
Yeah.
I don't hear righteous music playing. I don't hear, and if it's like 3 songs,
Yeah.
2 songs, or something like that. You know what I mean? I'm not feeling that.
Yeah.
Seeing, I respect music, so even if dance I play and the vibes is good, I love it. No hour and a half and rate it, and then you play like at least 45 minutes of soul tune.
Yeah.
Seeing, and then you play like gospel music and all of them stuffs. I'm not into that. You know what I mean? Gospel.
Why do you call it that?
Cause I don't. What some people believe in, I don't believe in. I don't like. I say, they. It's like this. People say, "Oh, you see a Rasta? I'm not tell nobody see my Rasta. You know much what it is to be a Rasta?
Yeah.
Lots of work. Seeing, so you don't just be a Rasta over there, and not because my blacks and rated. You understand? I love righteousness.
And I get you.
You see what I'm saying? But I'm still not a dummy.
Yeah.
Are you gonna live your life most of the time say people take you from somewhere that you don't even know how to speak English, seeing, kill you, castrate you, chop off your wheelie, hang you, rape your mother. That's where the motherfucker comes from, because they rape off your mother them and whatnot. All of these things. And then teach one somebody to speak English.
Yeah.
See, and he's going to teach you to read the Bible. And then tell about Jesus and God. Before you come and tell me about your Jesus, see? Me rather say Hobia, me say voodoo before all of that.
Yeah.
See? Because no white man then go murder the Maroons them. See? What did Nani do? What did they do?
Yeah.
Hobia. See? They take the black off of magic and gone with that. They don't want you to have powers. They want you to be scared of the essence. Seeing what is the powers? Just the air and the fire and the water and the land and those things of the earth. Seeing of just all nature of one, but want you to be scared of it. So that's what Mr.
You're so fiery tonight. You came to burn down the entire
I just
building.
don't like liars.
Yeah.
I don't like liars. I just want just black power.
Yeah. Let's get into this round here called the Rapid Facts. Last time you here, you did it. So I remixed some of the questions here, and let's get into this round here. All right?
Let's go.
All right, so it's quick one-word answers or small sentence. You know the thing, right? All right, okay. What's your favorite color?
Red.
Okay. Your biggest fear?
Next.
Okay. Corn soup or Ital stew?
Aita.
Okay. Are you a cooker or a cleaner?
Both.
Okay. What's the last book you read or even listened to if you're into audiobooks?
It's a book on Marcus Garvey.
Okay. Okay. What is or what would be your side hustle if you don't have one?
Teaching black youths.
Okay. Got you. What is your hidden talent that nobody really sees or know that you have?
I can skate, jigger.
Well, ice skate or rollerblade or what kind of skate?
Rollerblade, my girl.
Okay.
Skate. On the ice, see?
Yeah.
White boy didn't need some Benjamin skate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Didn't know that at all.
No, we.
Okay. What do you do to relax?
Sleep.
Fair enough. One song that was the biggest influence on you?
One song that was the biggest influence on me. Why you do this one now?
Uh-huh. Just one song.
One song is the biggest influence on me. Talking Blues by Marley.
Okay. Why?
Because it made me know the truth, Cole Brown was my bed last night,
Okay.
And then the song is like, I feel like booming a church because I know that the preacher is lying.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And those things that I felt in my heart, because those are music you're listening to from your youth. And then my parents then brought me into like Catholic liberty, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I want all the time like you're there at church, and me never want to go to church. Seeing his white brother come and splash water upon your about blessing. And when I'm attacking my telephone, stand up and I tell if you need upon your foot and all of them sitting there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And I make me feel like I'm nothing drink the blood of Christ. Drink the blood, you cannibal. I eat the flesh. Lightning. Seeing?
Okay. That escalated rather quickly, but I got you. I understand.
Yeah. Sorry.
All right.
Be real.
Favorite movie of all time?
You gonna ask me that?
Of course I got to ask you that.
Look at me. What do you think my favorite movie would be of all time?
What, Rakas?
Yes, you answer. You're smart.
Come on, bro.
Wise. Yes, you never asked me that. You never
Definitely.
skip that
I had to
one.
ask you for them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
See it, truth.
Okay. Favorite Sizzla album or song?
You could get in trouble for those things. I don't have a favorite Sizzla song because all the Sizzlas them are the best.
Yeah.
Seeing, but
song or album?
What Bobby want there, man?
The Real Thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Big,
Greatest.
huge album. Huge. I seen people actually go to a dance, play that from beginning
To beginning.
end,
No end.
and bust the entire dance.
When that album was released, Spraggaroos tell me, man, like, not even Spragga alone. Whole heap of people are like, I was in Jamaica,
Yeah.
and they played the Sizzla album for the whole dance.
Yes, guy. Yes.
How about that? All you artists out there, do all your songs play for the whole dance?
Yeah.
Do you have an album and all of your songs then play?
Yeah.
Never.
All right. You
Maybe
prefer
Cartel still.
Got you. You prefer water or juice?
Water.
Okay. Sweet or sour stuff?
Regular.
It's either sweet or sour.
Well, I'm gonna like sour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so
See?
sweet. Okay. Last one here, your favorite comedian of all times.
Oh. Dave Chappelle.
You know this.
Yeah.
You know this. That's the end of the rapid facts. Now, the floor is yours. Anything you want to speak about, anything you want to say, anybody you want to big up, the floor is yours now.
All the 4 and 6 family.
Yes.
Seeing. The whole of Toronto, seeing. So I don't want to big up one turf or nothing, seeing. Because I want energy and I want strength. Because my youth, them, my mother, and my father, them, seeing. All of my agents, them, I don't know what go already. Muscle.
Things some more.
Seeing.
You know, it's
Power,
always love.
strength, energy. I like to say, all I saw man them on the WhatsApp, seeing, I rate it, one love. Please stop the stupid stuff. The dumb video of them, the worrying and the hate. Yo, we're here in Canada right now. I check the energy. I'm in so much groups and I don't talk and I don't say nothing. I just hear and I watch what I go on. Nobody in Canada not really reached nowhere yet. See what I'm saying? Yeah, people get their highlights, you know what I mean? Poly them, noob them, and rate it and boom, and we give thanks. You know what I mean? We need to be on a level. We need to respect our one another and deal with everything on a business. You know what I mean? No man a fight, man a party and rate it. We need to be, because they don't, right now the world doesn't rate Canada.
Why you say that?
Well, man, let's be real, man.
From a soundman DJ perspective, you're talking about here.
Let me show you something.
Okay.
One at a time like this, you see when people rate you, they rate you. See? I don't see no big clash are going on. A song from Canada, I go a difficult clash. Maybe the sound has a little, some dub plates and rate it and bomb. No, something like, oh yeah, that's a Soul Supreme, the man, or King Shine out there on over somewhere,
Yeah.
say.
Yeah, man.
I probably alone have that strength, you know what I mean? One of they out there too. You know what I'm saying? I'm being real on the level, but at the end of the day, it's like local.
Yeah.
We need to be on, you need to expand. Seeing? If things was going in, then they will be calling.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying. You know what I mean? Me no out there neither. You know what I mean? So I'm not downing anyone. You know what I'm saying? But I'm saying is like, nobody now look and say, Ray. Seeing? When them say notorious, when them say Ray or Ra. We understand. We just have to be real.
Yeah.
Seeing? And don't fake it. That's why I say the man have to just try to deal with a business, you know what I mean? The big up Irish and Chinese, say like what you do? What you do, Muscle, a greatest thing. For us.
Okay.
Remember what I'm telling you, because guess what? There's no outlet for us in Canada.
Yeah.
Even as someone, you think they would have set up something like this to speak with somebody to say, all right, rate it or whatnot. So when I want to know anything about what's going on, Irish and Chin, me go.
Yeah.
Not even nothing at Jamaica or nothing. Irish and Chin, I go.
Yeah.
I'm like, what's going on? Seeing? I mean, I listen Jax. See it?
Yeah.
Jax. Yeah. Clear the road. Mad.
Yeah.
See it? Other that, where do you go to get your local news?
Yeah.
Or anything? There's nowhere.
And that's a real problem right now.
I said, if you weren't here, a lot of people's face wouldn't be seen.
Yeah.
So they must give lots of thanks. They don't look at it as an opportunity like, oh, I got to be on YouTube right now.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Look how much views. You're supposed to look at it and be like, channel muscle like that, you know?
Yeah.
Seeing? Yeah. From nothing to something. Remember, muscle man, you sell cassette.
Come on.
Seeing? Do they know? Do the more people do they even speak about? I watched the damn interview with them.
Yeah.
Them speak about muscle with turn up the bridge with the pouch. See? Pouch of the cassette, them and sell the cassette.
Yeah.
It's a
You
blood
know,
clot
you
muscle.
know.
How you have around the jam rock.
Yeah.
How you have around the see? So tell me muscle is there and boom. They in the mall I sell DVD, all of those things.
Yeah.
You made people see things and get things. To learn like how I go on.
I got you.
You have sound. You talking about, nigga? See, muscle. You're mad. Yeah. See, so this is more than the biggest opportunity for me. See, and not even to say you gotta do it and put it out. It's just for me to say yo boom, but then amongst my IG them.
Yeah.
I will get for tag, I reason and keep
Exactly.
it real.
And then they get to really understand on a level, because remember, when you're just talking about the YouTubes and internet and stuff like that, it goes anywhere. When I look at my analytics, I see from Japan right back to South Africa and everything in between. Remember, so then that means you're seeing all of us. So it's always about putting your best foot forward and putting out your content. Content rules right now, you know, boss.
Of course.
Content. You have the content, put it out. You have a mix CD, put it out. You never know who's listening right now when it comes to the internet, because it's wild out there right now. Wild.
Yeah. Muscle. Let me tell you something. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I don't even know what to say. Out of all the interview, I don't even care who.
Yeah.
Yes, one day I say, boom, I'm like YouTube, you know, man. I'm look at me. Major. Sorry, I say Dave Chappelle.
Yeah.
Major hype, sorry, you're one of the next one.
Bob.
Seeing, I have to give you your forward. Seeing,
Yeah. Bad.
all the white boy we do Timothy.
Yes.
Yo, do more of that, brother. There. Me laugh your fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah. But when I saw that muscle, I was like this. Wicked.
Yeah.
See, I like the shit that you can get the artists them or the selector them are rated on as one strength.
Yeah.
See, for them to voice their opinion and whatnot is great, man. It's a pleasure. You know what I mean?
That's why I called it the entertainment report. So it's not the DJ report, the soundman report, the clown report, the stripper report. It's entertainment, from pastors to porn stars and everything in between. That's entertainment.
Yeah, we don't want the porn stars them though.
Yeah. Listen, righteousness, you if you have righteousness, you have to have ratchetness too. That's just how the world works.
All right, so next time,
Yeah.
seeing, let's have the good over evil, because I think maybe sometimes too, as you do what you're doing,
Okay.
maybe you need to have a debate.
Okay. I'm game.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Maybe once a month.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You get someone from rated and
Yeah.
debate certain issues, because there are a lot of issues I feel that should be
100%.
Yeah.
100%. I rate that 100%. They want to book 416 Lindo P. Get them some information before we get you out of
I
there.
have none.
Yeah.
Papa Chunks has to give you all of it, because guess what?
Yeah.
I do none
Yeah.
of the business.
Junks, come in.
See it? We don't have boss, see it?
Yeah.
I king.
Yeah.
See it? King one, that's what I do with the biz. Yeah.
Junks, when they want to book the song 416, how do they contact you guys?
At 416 Sound on Instagram.
Come closer.
647-403-1503 is my phone number.
All right.
Yo, Cameo.
Chunks, we're going to be doing your interview soon as a soloist, and definitely talk to you and take it from there and see exactly what's in your mind. Because we link a lot, you know. We just need to link on here right now. You know what I mean? Keep it moving. There's some more. Can't wait till you're in a zone where you're ready to put out some more music, because that's what I think is really missing right now. You know what I mean? Official music. Remember, you got the not Willie Chin. What's While She Fire is your people then, right? All right, you have that. I remember. Toast. Oh, I'm going blank right now.
See?
Coffee song.
Yeah.
That's his song, you know.
Yeah, Throne.
All right? So then we're ready for you here, you know.
You are pop.
What?
Again, see, while she bless of love.
Yeah.
What did I say to you though, Muscle?
Yeah.
What did I say to you?
Many stuff we spoke about.
I don't want to sing anything
Yeah.
that is not elevating the youth them
Okay.
and not making them rebel. I want to sing songs for them to rebel, seeing for the things that have happened to our ancestors, them, seeing and that are happening to black people now. Overstanding in our life. When you see destruction, seeing, when you see evil, you need to trample evil. It doesn't mean because you see evil and you get rid of evil, you're wicked.
Yeah.
But if you let evil reign, it will destroy. Black people let evil reign and they die. Why should I have to live underneath a set of people and I don't have my own money? I don't have my own government. Seeing my own liberty. Me, I live my life as a youth and I get old and I'm look, I'm see TD Bank and I'm see Chinese man run TD Bank. I'm gonna see no black man run no bank. Why I have to see money? I'm gonna see my people from I money. Seeing? No more. That's all I'm saying. Seeing? That's why the youth them are killing their one another because they're looking and they can't see the strength. If they can look and see the strength to be like, boom. All right, tell me this. Me not tell nobody if you kill nobody. Seeing? But why is it so easy? Tell me this. Why is it so easy to say, me and you are quarrel now, I'm a shot you. Bam! And kill you. Then the Babylon them forward now, gonna arrest you.
Yeah.
Probably beat you up and put you somewhere for about 5 years. And you won't bang a shot and defend yourself. So imagine that. Easy for bang a man, but easy for a man cuff you. I just want to know, I don't know how to understand the math.
Yeah.
I don't understand it. You're going to look and you're going to see people who don't like you. You're going to watch video. And right now, today, they're like, nigger. They might cut off the girl, them here. All of these things. I see it. Right now, 2019. Are you going to tell me? All I'm saying is like this. All I gangster, them who said I'm a gangster and rate. Please, I need your help. Seeing? The youth, them need your help. We need your help. We need somebody to help us. Seeing? I'm crying for help. I ask you that. Some man, them are crying for help. There must be somebody who can say something with you with righteousness because everything can be Louis Vuitton and money pull up and 50 buckles of Hennessy. It can't be this, bro. It can't be because you guys have your kids and they go to school, seeing, and you have to frighten. Remember me, I tell you that, seeing? So don't fake jacks amongst me, brother. Seeing? So I say, Muscle, my move still can.
It's been crazy and fiery like always. What you come with, what you bring to the table is always crazy. And again, maximum respect. Big up the entire 416 crew. Papa Chunks, I see you. Everybody else, I see you guys. Thank you again. Well, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out.
Ice.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.